friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. And today's video is, you guessed it, we are at the end of another month. So it's home decor that I have been loving in my home for the month of August. I've only picked up a few pieces. So yeah, not a lot. But I did want to go ahead and share it with you, as well as share with you some items that I've had for a while that I am still loving around my home. If you didn't know, I started this series in January where I share with you the home decor items that I picked up for the month, as well as the items that I am still loving in my home. I created a playlist, and if you have missed any of those videos, I will leave it linked in the description box down below. Make sure you go check it out. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first few things we're gonna start out with are from Amazon. And we're gonna start out with some pieces that are not home decor related per se. So the first one, I decided to join a book club. I used to read a lot when I was younger, like a lot. I mean, I could read 2 or 3 books in a week or so. I was just like that kid. I love to read. As I have gotten older, I don't read as much anymore. So recently I joined a book club, and it's an empowerment book club, and it helps to empower women. And the first book that we are reading is one that I picked up, and it is called this: You Are a Badass, How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life. So I thought this would be perfect to join a book club. So I thought it would be perfect to join a book club. This one is a self-help book, and we can all be like a badass, right? We all need a little help, a little motivation, a little self-help in our lives. So this is the first book that we are reading in the book club. So I thought I would share it with you in case you are looking for some motivation, some self-help, how to empower yourself. Make sure you go check out this book. And the author is Jen Cicero. So yeah, can't wait to read that. The second book that I picked up is a book of photography. You guys know I love black and white, and I love black and white photography. And one of my favorite photographers who photographs in black and white is Ansel Adams. And I think I might have talked to you about him before. But anyway, I picked up this book of his works to use on my coffee table. Let me just stand up so you can see a few of the pieces. A few of his pages, and I just love just black and white photography. And this has a bit of everything, like different monuments, people, buildings, nature. So yeah, I thought this would be a perfect coffee table book, a conversation starter. So I picked this up. I picked this up used. You guys know, as well as the other book, you guys know I tell you all the time, there is like a second chance section on Amazon where you can pick up your books at a lower or a cheaper price. I will always buy my books there, always. So this was like $20, and I think normally it's like $60 or something like that. But yeah, I picked this up. I thought this would be a great coffee table book. Tick One also reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review one of the replica handbags. This is the bag. If you are interested, go check out their website. I will leave it linked down below. Now, the next thing I picked up from Amazon, and like I don't need any more pillow covers, but it's a pillow cover. And you guys know I am blacking out my home for fall, and as such, I need to have some contrast in my black. I need different textures and just different appearances altogether. So I saw this, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a faux leather, and it has this little detail. And I did go ahead and put it in a pillow so you can see how it looks. This is how it looks. Absolutely love it, and I am going to style them on the chairs in my family room. And I have 2 chairs on either side of my buffet, and I thought these were perfect to style there. And that leads us into the next thing that I ordered. You guys know while I was convalescing, all I could do was scroll the internet, and I was looking around my home and I'm thinking, hey, I want to change some things. So that's what I did. The next thing that I picked up is from Ashley's Home Store. I showed these to you guys before and I am so in love with them. It's these prints. They were on sale for $129.99. They are definitely giving me restoration hardware vibes. I love them. They are oversized. They're 40 by 50 and they're framed. So for $130, I didn't think that was a bad price at all. I had originally purchased a Sarah Brooke painting, or no, it wasn't Sarah Brooke. It looks similar to Sarah Brooke, but hers was $275 and I had picked this one up for $120. And I put it up, but it just wasn't giving. It wasn't giving me life. So I kept looking and I'm so glad I did because I found these. I absolutely love the way they look here. You guys know I love restoration hardware. I love getting that restoration hardware vibe, that luxe look for less. So I was so happy when I found these from Ashley Home Store. If you're interested in them, there was a short supply. So if they're still available, I will have them linked in the description box down below, but run because you will absolutely love them. Now, that leads me into my next thing. So you guys know I love black and white. And I don't know, several months ago, I was like, I'm thinking about changing my toilet to black. And you guys were like, no, Sheryl, no, you don't want a black toilet. You'll get hard water stains and they're hard to clean. You don't want a black toilet. It shows everything. And so I thought about it and I'm thinking, yeah, you're probably right because I painted my dining room table black and I love it. The only thing I don't love is that it shows every speck of lint, every speck of dirt. So I'm thinking, yeah, you guys are probably right about the toilet, but I still want a black and white a toilet. So you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. And when I showed my daughter, she's like, Mom, I don't know about that. But I told her I want it to be unique. I want it to stand out. I don't want to be like everyone else. I want people to come into my home and it's like, wow, I never thought of that. So guess what I did? I did not change my toilet to black. However, I did buy a black toilet seat. Yes, a black toilet seat. And I love it. I love the vibe that it gives here in my powder room. My boyfriend loves it. So we decided to change out all our toilet seats to black. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I know it's not the norm, but hey, who says you have to be normal? Who says you have to be like everyone else? I like the toilet. I like the black and white toilet, and I hope you do too. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And will you change out your toilet seat to black? Leave me a comment down below. It might be hard to keep a black toilet clean, but hey, we can keep the toilet seat clean. So yeah, I'm loving it. I hope you do as well. Again, think outside the box. That's what my channel is all about. We think outside the box here. So if you are enjoying today's video so far and it is inspiring you, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button because I have a lot of decorating inspiration coming up that you don't want to miss, especially for fall and the holiday time. We're going all out this year. We're going big, big, big. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you, I told you recently I found out we had a pop shelf. Who knew? Apparently it had been here for a while. I was waiting because I'd never seen one. And my boyfriend took me out to dinner and I was looking for Tuesday morning and our Tuesday morning had closed and I was so upset about that. But then I saw we had a pop shelf. So I popped in and I looked around and I must say, excuse me, that I expected a lot more from Pop Shelf. I have seen people share videos from Pop Shelf, and it had some really nice decor. Well, I don't know, the Pop Shelf, sorry, my nose is itching. The Pop Shelf in my area did not live up to the hype that I was expecting. But I did find, of all things, some florals. Like I need any more florals, but I want to share them with you. So this is the first one. I picked this up because it looked similar to the Bells of Ireland that I picked up recently, and I just love the color, and I thought it would be perfect for spring and summer next year. And this was only $3. So look how pretty that is. So nice. Look. So I picked up all that they had, which was only 3, but I thought this would be perfect to style with for spring next year, and who knows, they might even show up before then. So then the other floral that I picked up, I saw, and it was so pretty. And you know, I'm doing that moody dark fall for Christmas, and when I saw these blue roses, I thought, ooh, these would look so pretty in a floral arrangement. And these were also $3. So I picked up all that they had. There was 4 of those, so I picked up all 4. But look how these would go really good together. So pretty. This could be like a moody tablescape along with some black florals and some of those burgundy color florals that I have. So I thought that was so pretty. So I did want to share those with you. And that is the only thing that I picked up from Pop Shelf. There was really not a lot that I like there. So there's that. Where to next? Oh, my hair. I only have a few other items to show you. Let's start with these. So, these you've already seen, but these are the hurricane vases that I picked up recently from Walmart. Guys, do not sleep on Walmart, especially on Better Homes and Garden. So I picked this one up. This one was $6.96. This one was $8.96. And in my humble opinion, these would rival those ribbed vases that you would pick up from CB2 and Crate and Barrel, only for a lot less. And I recently styled these on the console table behind my sofa. If you missed that video, I will leave it linked in the description box down below. But you guys loved it. I just love the look. I love a good moody fall vibe. And I'm just loving the way my home is coming together for fall. So as I said, we are blacking out my home for fall, meaning we are going to use black in our fall decorating. It's not the typical, it's not the norm. So if you are looking for some inspiration outside of the norm for fall, if you're tired of seeing the orange and the red and the yellow and the browns and your typical fall, yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have some inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. Now, so this is the vase that I got from our house, and I don't like it. It just looks like a giant bug shell. So I'm sending it back. The next thing I want to show you is from Amazon, and I'm absolutely in love. So you guys know I told you I recently found a store not too long ago. It was Cosmo Living. Well, look at these. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. So these came from Cosmo Living. I forget how much they were, but I thought these would be perfect. You know, I'm looking for something to restyle my console table here in the lounge, and I thought these would be perfect. So I picked these up. Again, I don't remember what the price was, but I'll put it up here on the screen in case you're interested. But I cannot wait to style them. I think, in fact, that's going to be one of the next fall decorating videos. And then the last thing that I picked up that is new is this. These I found on a shopping trip to HomeGoods, and these are by Tahari. And you see those sculptural pieces that on CB2 that cost you an arm and a leg? Well, this was only $24.99. And this one, the smaller one, was, is it 19? Yeah, $19.99. And I thought these would look really cute styled together. And it gives you that luxe look for less. You don't have to spend all that money at CB2 to get the look. And that's what I loved about these pieces. So I'm so happy. Can we get a thumbnail? So I'm so happy that I picked these up and at such an affordable price. Oh, I found, should I show you? No, we're gonna wait. No, I'll go ahead and show you. Well, you've already seen it. So, all right. So recently I showed a video on how I have used black in my home, and I showed you a lamp. Well, this lamp is something that I've had in my home for a while, and I was loving it. I first showed you the lamp when I was changing over my entryway. It came with a white lampshade, and because I was blacking out my living room, I decided I wanted to change the lampshade. And guys, I love the lamp with a black and white shade, but as soon as I switched it out to a black shade, oh my gosh, it just took the level of elegant and luxury up to a whole new level. I absolutely love how it looks in the space, and excuse me, I absolutely love how it looks in the space, and it's all because of a lampshade. A lampshade can do so much. As a matter of fact, those lamps, I talked to you about them many times before. They came with a rectangular shade. I changed it, and look, it elevated the look, totally different color. I love changing out the lampshades on the lamp to give it a whole new look. These lampshades also were from Amazon. It was a pack of 2. They came from Lamps Plus. I want to say they were $109, but they're really big lampshades. So for 2, $50 a piece, I didn't think that was a bad price at all. So that's one of the older things that I picked up that I am still loving in my home. And I think, how long have we been talking? 17, 18 minutes? I think that's it. I don't think I am missing anything. I don't think. I think that's it, guys. I told you, not a lot. But those are the items that I am loving in my home. The new home decor, the older items that I am loving in my home. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed today's video and it has given you a little bit of inspiration in decorating your home with style on a budget. Again, I love to decorate my home in the most budget-friendly way possible. And the way that I do that is by budget shopping, clearance shopping. Like I said, upcycle, I love Goodwill thrifting, you name it. I love it. It has to do with home decor, and I can get it for pennies on the dollar. That's what my channel is all about. So if you are that type of person as well and you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. Well, that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.